Ah, Today I will tell about update of Corona. देखो, see, Corona is crossed more than 5.25 lakh cases in India with almost 2.2 lakh cases active. So it's not going to decrease. Every day it's now becoming 15 to 20,000 cases per day. And since early detection is happening, the severity has reduced. People are taking this natural herbal infusions which has been mentioned in the Arogya Setu app. The severity has reduced, so it's not serious now, but it doesn't mean ki you should be relaxed. So there are a few updates you need to know. So regarding surgeons who are operating, please make sure COVID negativity is really must before operating. Why? Because for a normal OPD it is one doctor and one staff for one patient, so we can be a bit more relaxed. But for an operation case it's minimum 20 to average 30 staff per one patient. So if one patient ends up becoming positive, about 30 of the staff members need to be quarantined and isolated. It's a very huge loss of money. Second thing, any stressful situation, this is for all general patient and general population also. Remember, if you get COVID along with a stressful situation, be it severe mental insult or severe tension in the family, or be it a small surgery, or be it a coexisting another infection, or pre-existing comorbidity, any stressful situation with COVID, it's going to trigger a cytokine storm which is going to be deadly. This will take your life. तो अगर आपके पास कोई स्ट्रेस है और आपको कोविड है, तो आपका जान बहुत खतरे में है. तो सर स्ट्रेसफुल सिचुएशन क्या हो सकता है? इट कुड बी ए इन्फेक्शन को एक्सिस्टिंग, local injury, an accident, an operation, or a mental stress or a comorbidity. So anything could trigger a severe cytokine storm. Okay, now what are the stress in surgery? You are getting anesthesia, you are getting a cut in your body, pre-operative, post-operative infections, local injury, coexisting hospital acquired infections can happen. So this is a very stressful state. Please, anybody is COVID positive, you will have to tell the authorities before getting operated. Sometimes delivery, the person is pregnant and they want an immediate emergency operation, so the hospital might ask for a COVID test. So most of the hospital will take up the case, but don't deny this COVID test because it's costing 4,500. Now it's subsidized to 2,500 in or 2,000 something in rate. You can get a COVID test, but make sure you get it done, because that determines in the next day you will be alive or not. Because if it is COVID positive and the person is getting operated, there will be 20% mortality. There is 1 out of 5 chance that you may not make it. So that's a very dangerous situation. Now I will tell about few things more. Vaccines which are available which can improve your immunity so that it can give cross protection against corona. That is MMR vaccine, MMR and rubella. Rubella has a 30% similarity to corona. So rubella vaccine, which comes as a form of MMR, yeah, it cost range from 600 to 1000 rupees. It can be cheaper in the government setup if it's available, or in a villages also you can get it a bit more cheaper rate. Now this, how did people come to know about it? Because for sailors it was mandatory to get MMR, and there was a very low amount of mortality in sailors. There is a place called Madagascar which was very heavily immunized with MMR vaccine. They have very less mortality. Same with Hong Kong and South Korea. Hong Kong and South Korea has very less mortality. South Korea whole country has only less than 300 deaths. So that's because of extensive MMR vaccines. Some people tell MMR causes brain problem. No, MMR doesn't cause any brain problem. It is due to the lifestyle changes of the people that brain problems have increased in the recent times. So BCG is another vaccine. If you have not got, you can get it done. So who should not take MMR vaccine? Is pregnant lady should not take it. No, people are telling the doctors should fight this virus. No, no, please. Doctors are not going to fight the virus because virus is dead. The virus is a dead. It is not a living material. It is not a living thing. It's a dead thing. It has an RNA and engulfed in a lipophilic membrane. So it's dead technically. So nobody can fight a dead material. A person goes and gets in touch with the virus to make the virus inside him multiply. The virus is technically dead. You are going to touch the virus and make it multiply inside you. So some people tell. Another myth is virus size is smaller than the size of the pore in your mask. So there is no point in wearing the mask. No, a ढक्कन virus अकेले थोड़ी ना घूम रहे. Virus travels as a molecule, not as a molecule. It travels as a droplet. There will be a billion of viruses in a single droplet. Mask is to protect the droplet. It protects the droplet, not that single virus. क्या ढक्कन लोग हैं यार, बिना दिमाग से ऐसे वीडियो बना के भेजते रहते हैं वो सुन के मास्क उतारने के लिए कोई बेवकूफ लोग. प्लीज इसको प्रोपेगेट ना करो. मास्क बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि उससे शायद वायरल लोड आपको बहुत कम रहेगा, बहुत कम हो जाएगा. वायरस एक आधी तो घुस जाएंगे पर बिलियन से अच्छा है कि थोड़ा कम तो रखे. बिकॉज वायरल लोड अगर बहुत ज्यादा है, आपका इम्यूनिटी जितना मर्जी हाई है, यू कैन बी रियली सीरियस. वायरल लोड कम रखने का मतलब होता है मास्क से. वो पूरा सारे वायरस को थोड़ी ना बचाना होता है, मैक्सिमम बचाना तो है था. बाकी सारे वायरस को बचाने के लिए सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग मेंटेन करना है, बिना मतलब से घर से नहीं निकलना. दोज पीपल हु हैव नो मास्क, यू शुड नेवर टॉक टू दम. जो मास्क नहीं है वो बहुत खतरनाक है, वो बहुत ज्यादा फैलाते हैं. विदाउट मास्क यू शुड प्लीज डोंट टॉक टू सच पीपल. That is so important. See, there will be always bureaucracy issue, administration issue. Even Delhi government, Mumbai government, Chennai government, these are all failing. It is more due to administrative and bureaucratic issues. In addition to, there will be infrastructural issue. We are a developing country. There will be some issues will be there. Beds will be full. See, smartness is a citizen, civic sense. I'm still seeing people not wearing mask. The police need to implement challan. That's the only way. If police can't do it, the army should do it. The citizen, every citizen should speak to a person who has no mask with a safe distance to tell that person, please wear mask. It's for your safety. एक बार बताओ उधर से भाग जाओ. Don't stay there. ठीक है. Civic sense and irresponsible behavior is the reason why this infection is spreading. The government can't do much. Stupid civic sense will spread the disease. Now, basic things what government can do is contact tracing, isolation, quarantine, physical distancing, and implementing mask. Other than that, it's all up to you. Your immune system is your responsibility. Please, I'll repeat, your immune system is your responsibility. So today, I'll just summarize everything. If you are in for an elective surgery, please get your COVID test done. If you get an operation hiding your COVID status, there will be 20% chance that you will be dead. Second thing, if you can afford, get an MMR vaccine done. MMR vaccine doesn't cause any brain problem. It is all due to lifestyle and chemicals in the diet which is causing these all mental diseases and autism and other things. MMR vaccine will definitely prevent a lot of severe cases. Definitely you will get corona if you are not having mask and other, you are doing stupid behavior and spitting in the road and other thing, you will get corona. But MMR vaccine can give you an up hand over the virus. Okay, and mask is to lower the level of the virus. Mask doesn't make you Karna or Duryodhan who has the protection of the Mata and all. No. It's not a Kavach or Kuntal. It's just to decrease the viral load. You will still have to maintain social distancing. And doctors, we are not warriors. The onus is on proper civic sense and behavior, and on police and others to challenge this irresponsible behavior people. Common man should stay away from maskless people. Maskless people are brainless people. They have nothing, they have no brain. Even if the mask is below the nose. So this is the summary. Please spread this message to everybody. There are a lot of stupid videos coming that you can't, mask don't protect you. Mask definitely will give you protection, not 100%, but against a severe disease to a very very good extent. So take care. And for all doctors friends watching, please wear, if you have a spectacle it's good enough, but you can wear a shield and a mask and another layer of mask and an N95 mask. Most of the infections for doctors, especially working in intubation anesthesia, is due to eyes, infection through eyes. So normal person, even if you wear mask, your eyes are exposed, it can get through eyes. So it's important you reduce your travel. If you are working in a common place like bankers, please use face shield along with your mask. Face shield is important because it will get through your eyes, especially people handling common people, especially chemist friend, please wear a face shield. It's important for you. Otherwise wear a goggle. You can get these for 50 rupees, 60 rupees. And another thing which is available is there is a video from Modi Khana. It's a very important idea that people give generic medicines at a very low cost, but I would personally prefer, if you are having a sick disease, don't opt for generic medicines. It may not give you high efficacy. For smaller milder disease, you can depend on generic medicines, it's okay, but for a significant disease you always go for branded medicines because that will ensure cure. You can't bank your life on things which even the doctors believe may not be 100% the best option. It might be cheap, may not be the best. Okay, share my videos please. Take care, have a good day.